Welcome. In front of me is a LG K51s, and today I'll show you a couple tweaks and tricks that you can do on this device. So starting off, we're going to begin with the ability to enable the up drawer, so you don't have all your icons smack in the middle of the screen like we do by default. So to get started, let's go into the settings, and from here under the display, home screen, and select home, and here you can have the second option, home and up drawer. So tap on that, confirm it, give it a moment, and there we go. We now have a actual up drawer which you access by pulling up, and you can also remove majority of the clutter that is right here. From there, moving on, we're gonna go again to the style of the home screen, so icon shape. And again, you can access it almost in the exact same place, so display, home screen, and from here icon shape, and you have some default apps or icons right here which you can tap and change how they look. So once you're satisfied with something, tap on OK, and this will change them. As you can see, now they are different. Now moving on to the next one, it's gonna be the split screen option, which you access by going into the recent. So let me just open something like Chrome, for instance, and where's my Chrome? There we go. So as you can see, the apps that are supported will have this icon, and once you tap on it, actually tap on it, not miss it. There we go. Now this will pop up the first time you do it. Let's tap on next and done. So once you tap on it, it will go up above, and then it will show you recent apps. But you can tap on home. This will take you to home screen, where you can tap on additional application to open a different one, something for instance like YouTube. And as you can see, you can now split screen to apps. And YouTube is also a nice option for here. You can watch videos or listen to music while browsing web on your, for instance, Chrome, as I have opened. And once you're done, you will have to kind of take it to full screen, and then you can quit it. Okay. So moving on to the next one, it's going to be the app pinning. This is for people that tend to do clear all, and for instance close their music player, which sometimes some music players, for instance, just close and stop the music because it's closed. So you have an option right here to pin it. When you tap on that, you can see that there's a now blue pin, and if I do clear all, it will clear everything apart from the pin apps, as you can see right now. So once you want to clear it, actually you will need to unpin it and then do it. And the last option that I wanted to show is the actual screen pinning. Now this works best if you actually have a lock screen, which I do, as you can see. And you access this by going into the lock screen and security, scroll all the way down to screen pinning, turn it on, okay, and it gives you a message how to unpin it. So you hold the back and the recent button, and also before you actually go into it, make sure that this is enabled. So when you do it, when you pin a app, maybe I should first actually tell you what it does. So when you pin the app or screen, in this case as it's called, it will allow you to only be able to view that specific app, and you won't be able to leave it. So you can be pressing home button, recent, and try to leave it, but it won't really work. And to leave it, you will have to hold the two keys, as you can see right here, at which point, if this is enabled, it will then simply lock the device. So now it's enabled, and you pin the screen by tapping right here. It becomes pinned then, and as you can see, I can't really leave it. I can go back in the app, but I can't actually leave it. Now if I want to leave it, I'll have to hold these two keys, and as you can see, the device then becomes locked, which I need the pattern to unlock it. So that would conclude all the tweaks and tricks that I wanted to share, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.